So, you know why we have a rule of not procrastinating, yeah? So what is the value of not procrastinating versus procrastinating? Why would we do that? Yes, sir?
Once you do it, it's off your mind. You don't think about it.
Yeah. Now, that's a big one right there. You know what I'm saying? Say if you have something I gotta do, and then I forgot. Oh, now I remember. I gotta, like that. It's a waste of energy and time, right? If you could have done it already, say, and the worry or whatever. If you have worry, or you just fucking forget it, okay? You forget about it, and it doesn't get done, and then you come to the point when it's supposed to be done. You go, oh, I forgot. Whereas, if you had done it, you wouldn't have forgotten. And usually in the beginning you remember because it's there. You know what I'm saying? It's already up. You have something? No?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought this was... So what other reasons? Okay, so yeah, it's not there. Yes, sir.
You get a lot more done.
How's that?
Like say you have a whole list of things that you want to do. If you put them off, they're not going to get done, or you'll run out of time to get them done. So like if you just start doing them, then you'll get a lot more done.
So you could do more.
Yeah,
if you get things done and move on, right? Okay. So what are the reasons not to procrastinate and get something done right away? Yes, sir.
I think procrastination hurts one's self-esteem, makes one into someone who doesn't do things right away, and it kind of, I don't know, hurts, brings about a bad self-image, I think.
Okay, certainly if you hold that, you're not a good person if you procrastinate, like maybe you're lazy or something, you don't get around it, blah, 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 however you hold it, then that definitely would hurt your self-esteem, right? If, on the other hand, you're just completely ignorant and you ignore all consequences and realities around process and whatnot, you could probably successfully just, ignore it, as I'm sure a lot of people do, and they don't feel bad at all. You know what I'm saying? But it requires ignorance. They have to be kind of as if numb or, detached from. That doesn't count. There's no consequences, whether there is or not. Yeah. Okay, there's that. Yes, sir?
Yeah, you kind of mentioned it, but it might happen that you run out of, suddenly when you start doing it, you run out of time, or you see that the job was longer than you expected.
Yes.
Something, so you'll fail.
This is very valid. How many times, Brendan, out of all the tasks we've done, all the jobs, all the projects, did it occur in the time we thought it might?
Only once,
Yeah.
ever. And
Yeah.
that was weird,
The pool thing?
Unusual, that's right.
very weird.
Well, that went smoothly, and like that. It was surprising. Nothing goes smoothly. I mean, look at the damn door; it's still not done. All right? I thought we just tossed that in. Okay, it's still not done. So there is that. That's actually very valid, logistical concern. If you wait, calculating, I can do it at the last moment, you may not be able to do it at the last moment. And then, oops. Also, as you yourself well know, I don't want to, somebody has this one coming, but you do it right away and, it takes longer. Plus, you might find that, I need to order some boards. Then you can't get the job done without, and it's tomorrow or the next day or something, you see? And now you have those options, whereas before, at the last moment, you don't have those options at all, et cetera. You see? I can, yeah. Yes, sir?
For me, the biggest is if I do it right straight away, I don't forget it.
Yes. And you don't have to remember it. It's commensurate with, if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember what your lies were. It's true, if you keep lying to people, you have to remember what you said, where you lied, and stuff like that. It can be a real challenge. Some people might be really good at it, but... Sometimes people will say, what did you mean by this? Or you said that. And I say, no, I wouldn't say that. See, I know I wouldn't say that. See? It's not accurate. I wouldn't say it. See? So you misunderstood what I said, or you're thinking of somebody else or something, say something occurs. See? It's a sidebar, okay? It's not exactly procrastination, I'm just saying, see, because I know the way I deal with things, and people will say things, and I say, no, I didn't say that, And sometimes it's just like they misinterpret and so they say it in a way that to me is not accurate, and say, no, I didn't say that. So any other reason? Yes, sir.
It's not a reason, but like, I feel some people are aware of this, but they still procrastinate and they can't seem to get out of it. Like I have a friend of mine, he procrastinates. So I guess like, how would you help that person change that behavior? Just have them be more aware of the effects it has in their life?
No, I'd hit him with a stick. See, because he's not, obviously, see, I can't get out of it. I can't help it. I can't help it. Bullshit. Would be my disposition. Bullshit. You're bullshitting yourself. Of course you can help it, you asshole. See, you're lying to yourself. Now, I'm not going to add to that by lying to you or accepting your bullshit. Say, you want to get something done, get it fucking done. That's all you have to do. If you've got a mental problem, some kind of mental resistance to getting something done, okay, then you're still a child, and you might want to handle that. Whatever, rebellion you're doing against mommy or whatever, or establishment or something. No, I'm not going to do it. I can't do it. You can't make me. Or you might want to get, complete. So that might be an avenue to go down, right? It's like what is standing in your way? What's the resistance? Because there is nothing physically standing in the way. You see what I'm saying? I want to move this here. Done. Ta-da! See? I can't. Oh, I can't. No, later. I have to do it later. I can't do it. Oh, no. Oh, I can't do it. I got to put that off. Can't do it. Bullshit. But, that's me.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.